We do a really good job as a staff knowing our kids and families. We know what our kids need, and our families feel comfortable coming to us and telling us what they need. So we know that students need to be able to read to be successful in life. So we start that from the low grades. Instruction is very focused on the foundations of reading. In the lower grades, we build from phonemic awareness to the phonics and then start working on fluency. So we know that there cannot be a step missed, that all of those pieces need to be included so that our students are true good readers. Our preschool has been a blessing just because our kids are getting skills.
We follow the creative curriculum for preschool, which is a play-based learning program. So every day we follow a routine, including letters, including numbers, including social skills. We use the how, who, when, the W questions that we use to create conversations between children and teacher, or children and staff. So we can encourage them to think and to express themselves. I hear a lot of compliments from kindergarten teachers saying it's wonderful the way they come ready to go to the next level.
They're coming out understanding that letters have a sound, letters have a name and a use, understanding that a book has a direction and that words create sentences and the sentences create meaning. Very different skills coming in terms of just the basic pieces that we need to start to be a reader. So we made a push 3 years ago for small group instruction in all grades. We're having small groups for our Tier 1 instruction in the classroom, and then Tier 2 we have acceleration groups, which is an old, some people call it a walk to read model. So I have paraprofessionals who are assisting the students that don't need the acceleration, and my teachers are the ones teaching the acceleration groups. So I think a lot of times schools do that backwards, and they have paras pulling small groups, but it's much more effective instruction if I have a certified teacher pulling a small group. One thing here is we are all treasure hunters, and that means we look for the treasures that exist in all students. We want to have students understand their strengths and their areas of need, so that's why we share data with them, because we all have areas in life that we need to improve in, but we also want them to feel appreciated for their strengths. Number one, we want to instill a love of reading to students because that's important. We want them to move on through life loving reading.